मुमताज साहब रुकिए रुकिए, मुमताज साहब, यासर जिलानी आराम से आराम से। सचिन पायलट कुछ कह रहे हैं, आइए सुनते हैं।
मौजूदा हुकूमत वेंटिलेटर पर है।
Congress-led government at the state. History will tell you that any government, any party that gets the mandate for the assembly elections will get the majority seats for the Lok Sabha. Therefore, I am confident that our selection of candidates, our campaign, our 3 months of government's performance will be viewed positively.
What as per internal services, there are number?
भाई हम तो कह रहे हैं mission 25, we were working on mission 25 and we're going to achieve that.
What the BJP government is alleging is that
going to overpower these elections, or it's again going to be issues like hyper-nationalism and other issues?
See, every election it depends on the candidate and the party and what perceptions we've created. BJP unfortunately has created a very negative perception. Issues like mob lynching, cow vigilantism, attacks on Dalits, farmers, women. Nowhere have we seen a positive agenda. And if the BJP government was so confident, they would not have dropped 3 or 4 of their sitting MPs. A sitting minister was dropped. So they're insecure and they're trying to fall back on what they know best, which is to play divisive politics. And I'm absolutely confident that Congress Party's agenda and Mr. Gandhi's leadership, people will have full faith in it.
what the BJP is alleging is in the last 3 months, the Congress and the state government has betrayed the people. They are saying that, the state government is not taking money of Ayushman Bharat and several other schemes that the central government is giving money to the state.
It's absolutely wrong. Whatever data Government of India wanted, we have given it to them. BJP is announcing